Hi, I'm Niall from GulfStream Boat Sales. Today we're taking a look at a Fairline Sedan 32. Although the boat is that bit older, been built in 1982, the quality of the work that was done in 2010 was top notch. The boat was re-engined, repowered with a pair of Isuzu 3.1 litre turbo diesel engines. As part of the refit work in 2010, it was totally reupholstered right the way throughout the boat. All the woodwork and cabinetry was updated to nice light shades. It had carpets replaced throughout the boat, and also lots of the onboard domestic equipment was either replaced or upgraded. The aft cockpit on this boat extends right out to the full beam of the boat, so it's a really nice spacious area. Coming in through the sliding patio style doors, the first thing that strikes you is the space in the saloon here, and also how bright and airy it is, especially on a boat that was built in the 80s. The quality of the refit in terms of really modernising this boat and bringing it right up to date has been fantastic. The engines that are installed are a pair of Isuzu 3.1 litre turbo diesel engines. They've got a great reputation as a robust, strong engine. They're 125 horsepower each. They're more than adequate for river cruising. They'll push the boat on to around about 16-17 knots. Moving forward from the main saloon, the daily living space on board this boat really becomes apparent. We've got a really well appointed and good sized galley. The stove and sink have all been replaced. This is a brand new unit, was installed in 2010. The modern theme continues whenever we move into the heads compartment here. The main cabin is separate from the lower saloon, and we access it through a small short companionway here. The current owner has spent untold sums of money on refurbing the boat, repowering it with the diesel engines, and totally renewing and modernising the interior of the boat. And it's now your chance to reap the rewards of his hard work and effort.